Run. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hope you liked the first video, which was pre-birthday and everything in general. I hope you liked that video. This is going to be the second video, which is going to be the birthday vlog and what I did on my actual birthday day. So that video was quick. It was just a 13 to 14 minutes video because this was something that was suggested to me. So I like how my friends are viewing my videos and actually suggesting me things that I really need to do and work on when it comes to the videos. So their first recommendation was basically to keep it short and not keep it a very lengthy video, because not everybody enjoys a long video. So I think 15 to 20 minutes is something that people can generally spare, but when it gets a bit lengthier, then sometimes people lose interest and might not watch till the end. So this was a suggestion that I received to keep my video short, so I've been trying to do that. The second suggestion has been to speak more on English, not keep it too much Hindi but not keep it completely English also. Really difficult for me because in my general communication I am able to स्पीक, बट आप ऐसे बोलोगे मुझे कभी कभी नहीं आता है, वो एकदम इंस्टेंटली नहीं आता है कि मैं हिंदी में ही बात करूँ करके. वो इंग्लिश मेरे बोलते ना मदर टंग की वजह से क्विकली आ जाता है, बट हिंदी थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं और हिंदी में बात करना ट्राई करूँ, बट गारंटी नहीं दे सकती मैं. आई कैनॉट कन्फर्म दैट आई विल डू इट कंसिस्टेंटली, because even if I try, I think my English is going to be more prominent than me speaking in Hindi. Yeah, the first half of the video I was able to record very well because I got the bandwidth and the time to do that. I reached office really early. I have my get ready with me. I guess I have my get ready with me because I did not get the get the bandwidth to get ready before going for mass in the morning, so it's post that. So I think I have certain clips. I have also mentioned clips in various ways, so I'm going to cut short to that. You can see that first and then we shall get back. So good morning everyone. This is basically going to be my birthday vlog. Let me get the lighting. And I haven't started the vlog in the night. My friends came over at 10-12. I had about 15 friends. I wasn't expecting so many of them to come, but I'm grateful that they came, and it shows how important I am to them. And we cut a cake. We had some snacks, and I think that's about it for the night. I went to sleep. I got up this morning at 7. I had mass at 7:30, and I was assuming it was 7:45, and I did not prepare so I was just getting there, trying to get ready. But I did not have the time to do so because it was already 7:30. So you can see I don't have anything on my face right now, or even a lipstick. I am right now in office. You can see I am in office right now. It's 8. Let me see the exact time. Yeah, it's 8:15 right now, and I'm in office already. So I'll just show you. I have not put any earrings on. I mean, I've put this, but I want to change that. I have bought certain things in my bag. So I'm going to get ready. I'm going to show you. Let me show you my outfit really quick. So it's this yellow color top, very frilly, and I have my jeans on, my high-waisted jeans, and these nails match perfect to the top. I think we were good with the color matching. I'm going to order some breakfast. I normally have my smoothie, as you've seen, for breakfast, but it's a special day, so you call for a special breakfast. So I'm going to have breakfast, order some sweet to give everyone in office. I'm working a full day. I haven't taken a leave. I'll leave at since it's 5:15. Let me check if I can leave by 5, because I think according to Nailas it will be 5:15 and I could leave 10 minutes early if I speak to them. So hopefully that's possible. Also, I want to show you something really cute. So happy birthday goes to you. How cute is that? So yeah, hopefully I'm able to show you while getting ready, because I think the lighting is very one-sided here. So even if I'm getting ready like this way, you won't be able to see a lot. So I think either I might just quickly get ready and then shoot a video before someone comes in. So hopefully that's there, and enjoy the rest of the day with me. I have few things planned for myself. So yeah. For that, I need to ask you something to do, especially for my birthday. Subscribe to this channel and make us grow a bigger family. So yeah, subscribe. So that's how my makeup looks. I have different earrings for besides. Let's see. But yeah, I had a quick run to 7-Eleven to grab some breakfast and chocolates for people in my office. So I'm going to show you that. I forgot to cook in the morning. Junior burger, small one. This is for me. I love this flavor. And this.
I just need to wish you later. I'll come.
Let me, yeah, man.
So today all cheat day.
Ultimate reader. So hopefully you've liked it so far. The next thing on my list was is something that I did. Like, I mean, I got myself lunch. You've already seen the breakfast that I got for myself. So for lunch, I ordered from KFC. I like their chicken popcorns. Like very close to me is the chicken popcorns. So the chicken popcorn and the chicken roll, the crispy chicken roll. So this was something I and Vidya had discovered randomly on a day to get the chicken roll. So I've liked it since then, and I've been constantly eating from them is the chicken roll and the chicken popcorn. So I got myself a medium chicken popcorn with the chicken roll, and I'm seeing to gulp all of this down. They did cut a cake for me in office. That was a cute gesture. I'm going to snip it like a cake video quickly for you to see. After that, once I left from work, I came home. I just chilled. I unboxed. I didn't unbox. I just came. I was chilling at home, and then in some time I had to leave to meet my previous office colleagues who are very close to me. So my previous office is like 5 minutes from my house. So I met them. They bought me a cake, but I think it's going to be a vertical video and not a horizontal one, the cinematic way. So they got me a cake. Everybody bought me gifts. There were so many people who got me gifts. They did not have to pamper me that much at all. I did not. I just specifically mentioned it to them. I did not come here for gifts. I just came to meet y'all because I wanted to meet y'all for my birthday. But of course, they had to get me gifts. So they got me a lot of gifts and couldn't be grateful. So they got me a lot of gifts, after which I came home. So I think this video, I have tried to shoot a lot, but I'm very family and friends oriented. So normally you will always see me on my phone, okay? Like if I'm at a dinner table, very bad habit. If I'm at a dinner table, I'm eating something with someone, I always have my phone somewhere or the other. I'm always watching something on Instagram, watching something there, this, that. I'm doing something or the other, but I don't record. That's the only problem. So I had my assistant, Miss Lenora Silvera, who shot certain cinematic videos for me, and I had my friend Sean as well, who shot certain clips. So those clips are eventually going to come, but I'm going to run you through the evening what I did. So I got ready. I wore this blue colored outfit. You'll be able to see in the video. I've not removed a get ready with me at all, because Ruchita bought my gift at the very moment, and I got so excited that I forgot about everything else that I was shooting. I mean, I had dressed up and I had to shoot a video. So I did not remove get ready with me at all for my birthday, because it was very quick. I did not have the time, and everybody was going to come home. It was already 8:15. Everybody was supposed to come, so I had to get ready in like 10 minutes. And I had to go meet Ai Baba also. So Ai Baba, basically my babysitters who took care of me since childhood. So I went to meet them, say hi, hello, take blessings from them for my birthday. And after that, I think everybody started coming in. Once that happened, then we cut the cake. Mama got me this very interesting birthday cake, okay? So it was a birthday cake and it had a happy birthday tag. So first I did not, click anything. I was like, okay, normal birthday cake. She did a very good job of every year. This is something that my mother does, and I really like. She always tries to kind of match with my outfit, either decoration or the cake somewhat. Like, last year I chose my own cake. So last year even the decoration, for some reason, last year this was something, a quick story that I want to tell you. So last year I was expecting certain way that I wanted the house to be decorated. So rather than asking like mama and putting her into the efforts, and she would not be able to exactly match what I was thinking. I did not expect from Ronald as well that he would understand what I'm trying to say. I ended up doing the decoration on my own for my birthday. So yeah, you can do that too. You do your own decoration because that's how you want it. This year we did not put at all efforts in decorating anything. This year it kind of made me realize like few things. Like I'm already 26. Oh, which is sitting me now again. 26 is a big number. So I'm already 26. I'm going to be 30 in the next 4 years. So I wasn't that excited for my birthday, but I'm always excited for my birthday. So that small excitement was still there. But yeah, we cut cake. Mama got this cake which matched my outfit. Like I had a blue outfit, so she got me a blue cake. And there's a tag, so I did not click. So she like, you will have to slowly pull it out. Slowly pull it out. I will like, hope there are no pictures in this because I want only money. I don't want pictures. And there was actually money in that. She gifted me money through the cake, which is very cool, very creative. I don't know how she comes across these ideas. I think she's seen it on Facebook or something, and she thought this is something that my daughter would like, and she did it. So yeah, I mean, lots of love. What else can I say? My mother always knows what I want. I don't have to tell her. So after cake cutting, we started. So everybody was segregated in like spaces. Like my friends were in one space, my family was in one space, and then we started snacking. After the snacking, my father-in-law decided to use our dining table as a tabla. So we had some really nice jam sessions. The clips are going to be there now. Like once I'm done the talking business, so that I don't bore you for too long. I'm going to make it quick. So we had a quick as in not quick, I think it was 30 to 40 minutes of like jam sessions. There were other things also happening. So everybody was engrossed basically at this point of time only in the jam session because that was so interesting. After that we had dinner, and I think that's it. We had dinner, we had some good time. We did not have to plan a lot, but there were 25 to 30 people in my house at this point of time. So even if I always plan to make my birthday small and intimate with certain people, and these are my intimate people only, like the first legit people that I want to celebrate something with, always 25 people. So yeah, it was a quick birthday celebration. Everybody left at I think about 12:30, 1 o'clock. I think everybody was out of our space, like out of our house, and till we cleaned and everything happened, it was already 2 o'clock for me to sleep. It was very hectic day, and then yeah, I think that's what my birthday looked like. I think in my first video I did mention that I always love to have dinner with my family. So let it be just me, Mama, Dada and Ronald as a family to have dinner, or let it be 30 people who I'm close to have dinner. But dinner has to be at home. So yeah, that was basically all that I did for my birthday, and hope you enjoy the clips. Over to the clips now.
देख रहा है
चलो make a sign of the cross.
उसके मुंह के अंदर क्या घुसा है?
चलो
In the name of the Father and the Son.
In the name of the Father, you have given the joy in Stella and family. And you took care of her.
Promise of love, there shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops down as are falling, but for the showers we plead.
पैसे
₹500
अरे सच्ची में नहीं देने गए गावात बेस्ट
इधर भी
पाय पड़ रहे
एयरपोर्ट
ले वाले
Happy birthday to
Good luck go with you, and happy you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear President.
अरे यार
शॉन तो गिरने लग गया मैं
ए चल फटफट
अरे खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है
पैसे लगे अकाउंट से अरे खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है अरे
सिक्का है पॉइंट
खत्म हो गया भाई खत्म हो गया
पिगी बैंक खत्म हो गया अच्छा बेस ड्रम एंड
बायकोचा मुलगा मुलगाचा मामा मामाची बायको बायकोची मुलगी मुलगीचा काका शेकोटीला आला कोल्हापूरचा म्हातारा म्हाताराची बायको बायकोचा मुलगा मुलगाचा मामा मामाची बायको बायकोची मुलगी मुलगीचा काका शेकोटीला.
I hope you enjoyed the entire video. It just excites me for some reason. It's very cute. I liked it. I mean, even if there might not be like 100 views on this video, I think I might watch it again and again just to refresh my memories with this, like, you know, associated with this day. And grateful for everything, grateful for the love, wishes. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and you're following me through this journey of me trying to build the self-confidence. It's not for, I mean, of course in the end I want to have a lot of subscribers who subscribe to my channel, enjoy my videos, because I've been watching YouTube for quite some time and I thought, you know, why not? Why can't I also do the same? So yeah, follow me through my journey. We are close to 100 subscribers. Don't forget, we do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. Zudio giveaway, because we love Zudio. We love Zudio. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch it with your friends, and make sure they are subscribed too, so that you can be a part of the giveaway soon. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Love you.